Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can become an Odoo partner, so let's get right into it. Now, the Odoo Partner Program is a program dedicated to companies which pretty much just have well-managed services on Odoo, and official partnership can help you get more exposure and do your business more effectively. Now, as you can see from customer point of view, what this entails is that the partner is or a guarantee that the partner is fully trained, has access to the enterprise source code, a direct relationship with Odoo to escalate any issues that might happen. They publish references directly on the Odoo site, and they have a ranking system from ready to gold, and they get access to weekly training sessions or training sessions that are updated weekly, and that is pretty much what the partner program entails. Now, what you need to commit to when you're a partner: you need to train your staff by following the training sessions, become certified, and then you need to have dedicated resources assigned to Odoo projects, be available for periodic meetings with account managers, be the first level of support for the client, and use Odoo for the second level, and you need to promote the Odoo enterprise in your region. Now, you have several different benefits, but once you become a partner, as I mentioned, you do have this ranking system you go through. For example, you have your learning system, rank, which pretty much just means that you're not a full-fledged partner yet, so you don't have all the benefits. But then you have ready, silver, and gold, which depends on how many users your enterprise generates. And as you can see, you'll get more exposure through the different sections. Of course, the gold section does, of course, get the best exposure. Then you get a higher commission the higher up in the ranks you get. As you can see, you get on Odoo Enterprise, you get 10 for both ready and learning, and 15 for silver, 20 for gold, and 50 for ready through gold, and 10 for learning commission on odoo.sh. And you get access to the partners mailing list, you get sponsors, and you get customer success stories as well. And you also have developers on demand if you need them, as well as the partner pack, but that is pretty much just available for everybody. Now, to become an actual partner, what you need to do is just schedule a call with an Odoo partnership expert, and once you go through the meeting and the appropriate process that they put you through, you will become an Odoo partner, or your enterprise will become a partner, and that is pretty much the only way that you can access this. If you're an individual, then there is no point in trying to become a partner. For this, you do need to have an enterprise, but if you are a one-man show and you have a one-man company, this might be viable if you can handle it and if it is, well, useful to you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.